Good morning, my name is Leo Flores and I'm here to discuss my 5 ways how to cope up with mental issues. First, be creative and find ways to learn. Be creative so that we focus our mind not to think negatives and focusing our selves like playing basketball, volleyball, or writing, drawing, singing, ganun, para maiwasan ang ating pag-iisip like suicidal thoughts at nakatulong ito para maiwasan ma-stress, ma-depress. Number 2, try to relax and reduce stress. Trying to relax and reduce stress like going to the beach or hanging with friends para naging happy tayo sa ating mga ginagawa. And also nakaka-relax ay ang pagme-meditate or pag-iisip ng tama like going to the beach. Nakakapag-isip ka ng maayos kasi naging happy ka, nabuboost ang mood mo. And number 3, look after your physical health. Look after your physical health like jogging and playing basketball also, like doing physical activities kasi through sweating nare-release natin ang negative energy through sweating. Ito yung pag-exercise kasi nabuboost ang ating mood sa pang-araw-araw at naiiwasan ang pag-iisip ng mga masasama like suicidal thoughts. And also pag may kalaro ka, may kasama, naging happy ka, nabuboost ang iyong pag-iisip. And also number 4, try to sleep. Try to improve your sleep. Sleeping also is a big factor for us kasi ang pagtulog natin ay naging sanhi rin sa pag-iisip ng hindi akma sa ating ginagawa. Kasi pag kulang tayo ng tulog, ang pangit ng pakiramdam at nakakagawa tayo ng negative actions ganun because of our mood na hindi maganda. And also spend time with nature. Spending time with nature is one way how to relax. Like aking ginagawa ngayon, nandito po ako sa dagat. Spending time with nature para maiwasan ang paging stress. And that's all. Thank you.